All right, welcome to the Land a House YouTube channel. I'm Seth. I'm going to try to do all this in one take, so hopefully it works out. You may have seen some changes here on the Land a House YouTube channel over the past couple of months. I used to do family vlogs. I used to have a lot more reviews on random stuff, and then I had the usual ram pumps, micro hydro, and solar videos. And lately I've just been doing ram pumps, hydro, and a little solar, and then doing some battery reviews and that kind of thing. Well, I started the Tools, Tech, and Gear YouTube channel, and I am migrating slowly the reviews over to that channel so that you won't have to see those here on Land to House. To be honest with you, very open and honest, for years I have not accepted any money for the reviews you've seen, which I was told kind of degrades the Land to House brand, and because I just accept whatever review comes to me. And so now if I do like a battery review, I'm asking a small fee and then trying to weed out the companies that basically are just cheap stuff. Now Tools, Tech, and Gear will probably have some of those cheaper things on it, and I'm going to start this idea where I put up my own personal pros and cons list at the end of each product, and that way I can just be honest and say, hey, these are the things that worked out well and these are the things that didn't. So that's where the review side of things are heading. At some point they're going to go over to Tools, Tech, and Gear. Now I used to also make a lot of woodworking stuff here on the channel, whether it be in the shop doing French cleat storage racks or making bed frames and that kind of thing. Well, big news, I have started a new YouTube channel that's going to be basically shop related stuff. So if I build a bed frame or a bedside table or stuff, then it's going to be on that channel. And so the first thing on that channel, it's a big surprise to you. Let me show you what we got going on here. Yeah, so this is my current lower workshop. You've probably seen inside of there before. Well, on the back side of this building is now a clearing. So my two neighbors and I have been working on clearing off this space to put in a 20 by 30 workshop with some porches on both sides. And so all of that work is going to be over there on the new channel. Now, so I may show you around here in just a bit what I've been doing, but I mostly just wanted to mention that. So that new channel's name is going to be, or not going to be, but it is, the SethCraft Workshop. I actually tried for about 2 or 3 weeks to come up with a single word, catchy YouTube name that had to do with like workshop, and boy was it tough. I came up with about 4 out of 75 that had not been taken anywhere. So my friend and fellow YouTuber Sam from both SamCraft and the Acre Homestead has been talking to me about niching down the channel, and so that's why I'm kind of separating my videos out. And so he has SamCraft, and so I went with the SethCraft Workshop. So I'll have a link to Tools, Tech, and Gear down below, and then the SethCraft Workshop. So if you want to see more videos that I used to have on Land to House, I'm just moving those videos out away from Land to House so I can kind of focus on the Land to House brand primarily for ram pumps, because that's what this channel has kind of become over the years. Now, life vlogs that I used to have here on the channel, I've got maybe about 2,000 people that enjoy watching those, seeing the kids grow up and the other random stuff that I do. And so if it's not ram pump, hydro, or solar, then it doesn't fit on Land to House. If it's not a review, it doesn't fit on Tools, Tech, and Gear. And if it's not something either building a shop or a carport or something in the shop, then it doesn't fit on the SethCraft Workshop. So that brings me to the fourth YouTube channel, which is the Land to House Life. It's a vlogging channel where I also do my other little projects that I used to do, and they just kind of will be a catch-all onto that channel. So for instance, beach vacation, or if we install road guards, or etc. they're going to be on that channel. So if you're one of those that enjoys the random vlogs that I do, because they are quite random, I used to just take a week and film whatever I was doing. So I would jump from battery replacement in the four-wheeler to cutting a tree to you name it. So check out that channel in the description as well. So that being said, let me show you around the work that's being done here. So I've spent the past couple of weeks getting this done. The problem was before that I couldn't get the four-wheeler or lawnmower around the lower shop, because that's where I currently store them, is in here. And so we're going to clear off a little bit of a pathway so I can get around there. And that means we'll also have a pathway around the bigger shop that'll go over here. Enough to get the four-wheeler and lawnmower around. So my neighbor, I'm going to still see if he can cut back over here another 15-20 feet, take that dirt and kind of slope it off over there. There's also a new road, which you've not seen, that goes right over there. We can't go any further than this stump. He said his equipment would have a hard time with it, getting that out of there. So I may just have him move in one more foot, cut it down as best we can. And then also, this little tree right here, just on the other side of that, is my sewage lines. And so I can't go any further than that, of course. So anyway, that gives us about 25 feet of room between here and those lines. But anyway, so I cut down this other tree that I was just sitting on the stump, because the new shop, I'm going to start somewhere. I'm likely to cut a few more of the little trees over here, dig down until I hit the solid ground, and put in concrete pillars. And that'll allow me to put the shop off that way and then have room over there as well. So anyway, definitely subscribe to the SethCraft workshop to see that progress. So yeah, that basically is the update here on the channel. Now, I have several subscribers that have enjoyed watching anything I put out, and so they kind of enjoy having everything on Land to House. But I think from growing here on out, I'm better off if I just niche down a bit. So I'm still thinking about doing various water projects as well on Land to House. So I've got some siphoning videos that I want to have posted soon, and just other little things. Like I want to build a couple of micro hydro turbines. So I've got the Archimedes turbines should be coming up soon, and then a couple others that I have. And I hope to work with Spencer Langston to go around and film some of his hydro installs that he's done, which should also be fun. So all that will continue to stay here on Land to House. But anyway, I probably should have done this a long time ago to separate and niche down into different channels. Because for instance, I made this lower shop last year, and videos were getting like 1,000 and 2,000 views, and it's staying there. And it's just because people aren't really expecting to watch a full shop build on a micro hydro channel or a ram pump channel. So let me know your thoughts on the direction that the channel is now going to go, and if you like the ideas of splitting up into a workshop channel, a reviews channel, and then the life vlog channel as well. I'm Seth with Land to House, and I hope to see you in all of these channels. All right. Also, go check out the Green Acre Homestead and SamCraft. I'll link those down below too. Sam and Angela are great YouTubers. So, all right. See you later. Bye.